In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the default save location whenever you're saving files locally in Excel. So to do this, go to File, all the way down to Options at the very bottom, and from here, you're going to want to click on Save, where you're going to see an option towards the middle right here, where you click on Save to Computer by Default to save to your computer by default versus the cloud. And you can also change the location right here to be from my OneDrive documents, for example, to be something different. And I can copy and paste the file path right here to change the default location that the files are saved in. And you can also do this for templates as well, if you want templates to be saved somewhere different. And then click OK to apply the changes as necessary. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.